Did you know exactly 1 year ago, Shiba had 9 zeros in its price? Let's talk about that right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, you heard that correctly. Exactly 1 year ago, Shiba had 9 zeros in its price, and today is 5 zeros in its price. But before I move on, I gotta tell you about this because this is an exciting news that's coming up. Now, Webull is coming. Shiba is coming onto Webull, and I need you to understand how big this is going to be. Webull is one of the most respectable places to buy stocks, and very soon, you'll be able to get your Shiba on Webull. Now, they're in a next stage in a process, so they're getting ready to list it on there. So you want to go ahead and click on the link below, sign up, and check this out. If you donate $5 when you start your account, you'll get up to a $2,300 value in terms of your stock value. Take advantage of that, or just get ready to get Shiba on Webull. Let's get back to the actually content as well. So check this out. This article that just came out, that it says that basically a $1 investment that he mentioned before is astounding. That $1 will equal up to 6.39 billion Shiba tokens a year earlier, and now it only buys 128,205. So I dug deeper to this. There was an article that came out on finance.yahoo, and so I dug deeper. I did this. So Shiba's price, August 24th, 2020, had 9 zeros in this price. So 9 zeros, and if you invested $200, you got that amount. You see that amount? That's a big amount if you invested at that time. So you had a bunch of Shiba at the time. But fast forward just 1 year ago, the price took 4 zeros off the board. Just 1 year. Think about it, just in 1 year. And $200 investment is about that much Shiba that you'll get. But check this out. If you invest into Shiba a year ago and got that many Shiba, your revenue will be this much in today's prices. So basically all I did was took this amount that you would have gotten in 2020 with a $200 investment, and I times it by today's prices, and I got $13 million. Now you're probably wondering, wow, did I miss the boat? This is something I'm missing? What are you getting to this? Exactly, Captain NU Adam Shelton at your service. What I'm saying is 1 year, they took off 4 zeros. So imagine in maybe 6 months, 4 months, or maybe a year. So we kept following this cycle. And if it takes off 4 more zeros, look at this. If it takes off 4 more zeros, let me go ahead and go back to this. If it lets me go, let me see, go back to this. So let's say it takes off, it's following the cycle 1 year ago. So let's say in 2022, we're just pretending here, and it takes off 4 zeros, because it seemed like it took off 4 zeros before, it took off 4 zeros now. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what the price would be. So that $200 investment, now look at that. And if I go here, let me go back to the price here. So I'm going to play a little math game here. So basically I'm saying, okay, this is 4 years later, and then I'm going to put in the actually price of 2021. So I'm actually going to flip it off and then add in the 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's basically today's prices. So I'm going to go ahead and do the math here. So we're just kind of doing the math here. So that's what today's prices is. So check this out. This have 5 zeros. This got 1 zero. So we're just fast forwarding it, and I'm just trading it off. So I'm pretending it's 1 year later, following the cycle. And check this out. $2 million. A $200 investment will be $2 million. So if you invested $200 today, and you would get this amount of Shiba. If it dropped 4 zeros, I know I'm not doing the market cap. I'm just following the trend where it was last year. your $200 investment will be $2 million. Pretty cool, right? So just doing some simple math here. That's if it continues to cycle. I know that the fact that this is something that you may be thinking like, oh, it won't happen, or you know what, the market cap has to be this much. I admit it does, and I'll definitely do a video that discuss more about the market cap. But this article got me thinking is that fact that, and that's what the Shiba price was about. He's saying that about a 1 year ago it was trading at this amount. So I dug more deep into this process and said, you know what, $2 million in a year off a $200 investment, it's not a bad deal. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget guys, don't forget, get your Webull on. Sign up for Webull today. Click on the link below, deposit at least $5 for you'll be eligible for those 2 stocks that value over $2,000, and you'll be ready for Shiba to get on Webull. So you definitely want to be ready to get Shiba on Webull, and it's coming. I'm telling you. That's why I keep doing these videos. I'm letting you know it's coming, so you need to be ready for that as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.